Welcome to France, a country that enchants the world with its timeless elegance, vibrant culture, and rich history. From the bustling avenues of Paris to the serene lavender fields of Provence, France offers a blend of charm and beauty that few places can match. Today, let's journey through this captivating nation and uncover what makes it so extraordinary. Our journey begins in the heart of Paris, the city of light. Paris is not only the capital of France, but also a global center for art, fashion, and culture. Iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, and the majestic Notre Dame Cathedral are symbols of France's artistic heritage. Standing under the Eiffel Tower, one can feel the energy of a city that has inspired countless artists, writers, and dreamers. Every year, millions come here to marvel at the works of masters like Leonardo da Vinci and Auguste Rodin, making Paris a beacon of artistic and intellectual brilliance. But France is not just about grand monuments and art galleries. Take a stroll through the charming neighborhood of Montmartre, where narrow, cobbled streets wind through artisanal shops, cozy cafes, and bohemian artist studios. Once the home of artists like Picasso and Monet, Montmartre still exudes the spirit of creativity. Here, you can sip a café au lait, people watch, and perhaps feel a spark of inspiration yourself. Scene transitions to the French countryside, showing rolling hills, vineyards, and medieval castles. Narrator, leaving the city behind, we venture into the French countryside, where life slows down and every corner reveals a story. France's rural regions are celebrated for their natural beauty, historic villages, and, of course, their incredible cuisine and wine. In Burgundy, famous for its vineyards, you can sample some of the world's finest wines. Each vineyard has a unique story, and winemaking here is both an art and a tradition passed down through generations. Travel a bit further, and you'll find yourself in the Provence region, known for its fragrant lavender fields and sunny Mediterranean climate. Provence feels like stepping into a painting, with vibrant colors that change with the seasons. The fields, bathed in purple hues during the summer, attract visitors from around the world who come to witness this natural spectacle. Provence is also known for its flavorful cuisine, with dishes like ratatouille and bouillabaisse reflecting the region's Mediterranean influence. Scene shifts to the Loire Valley, with its fairy tale-like chateaus and lush landscapes. Narrator, if you're looking for a glimpse into France's royal past, the Loire Valley is a must-visit. This region, often called the Garden of France, is home to some of the most magnificent castles, or chateaus, in the world. Each castle tells a story of the kings and queens who once ruled here, with grand halls, ornate tapestries, and sprawling gardens that reflect the opulence of the French monarchy. The Chateau de Chambord, with its Renaissance architecture and intricate design, stands as a testament to France's architectural brilliance. Scene transitions to Normandy, showing cliffs and the D-Day beaches. Narrator, France is also a land of resilience, where history comes alive through powerful stories of courage and sacrifice. In Normandy, you'll find the historic D-Day beaches, where Allied forces landed during World War II. This coastline, marked by steep cliffs and expansive beaches, holds deep significance, serving as a reminder of the bravery of those who fought for freedom. Visiting these sites offers a somber yet profound experience, connecting us to the events that shaped the world. Normandy also has a gentler side, with charming villages, apple orchards, and the famous Mont Saint-Michel. Rising dramatically from the sea, this medieval abbey is one of France's most iconic landmarks. At high tide, it appears as if Mont Saint-Michel is floating, surrounded by water, a sight that leaves visitors in awe of its mystical beauty. Scene transitions to the French Riviera, with images of blue waters, luxury yachts, and vibrant nightlife. Narrator, and then there's the French Riviera, where elegance meets glamour. With its azure waters, luxury yachts, and sun-drenched beaches, the French Riviera has long been a playground for the rich and famous. Towns like Cannes, Nice, and Saint-Tropez exude sophistication, with stylish boutiques, upscale dining, and a nightlife that sparkles under the Mediterranean sky. The Cannes Film Festival, held annually, attracts celebrities from around the world, adding a touch of Hollywood to this French paradise. Scene moves to the French Alps, showcasing snowy mountain peaks and ski resorts. Narrator: France's natural beauty is not limited to its coasts and countryside. In the winter, the French Alps become a wonderland of snow-capped peaks and world-class ski resorts. Places like Chamonix and Courchevel attract skiing enthusiasts from around the globe, offering thrilling slopes and breathtaking scenery. Even if you're not a skier, the Alps provide a perfect escape, with cozy chalets, hot chocolate by the fire, and views that inspire a sense of tranquility and awe. Scene transitions to French cuisine, showing fresh baguettes, cheeses, and colorful macarons. Narrator: no journey through France would be complete without exploring its culinary treasures. French cuisine is celebrated worldwide, from the simple pleasures of a freshly baked baguette to the sophisticated flavors of haute cuisine. Each region has its specialties. In Brittany, you'll find delicious crepes, in Alsace, hearty choucroute, and in Lyon, rich and flavorful sausages. French food is an art form, with chefs mastering techniques that have been perfected over centuries. And, of course, we can't forget dessert. French pâtisseries are famous for their delicate pastries and colorful macarons, offering a sweet end to any meal. The artistry and precision that go into each dessert reflect the French passion for culinary excellence, making every bite an unforgettable experience. Scene transitions to festivals, showing lively celebrations like Bastille Day and the Cannes Film Festival. Narrator: France is also a country of celebration and joy. Festivals like Bastille Day, marked by fireworks and parades, showcase the pride and unity of the French people. In Provence, the Fête de la Lavande celebrates the lavender harvest, while the Cannes Film Festival brings together filmmakers and audiences to celebrate the art of cinema. Whether it's a local village fair or a grand city festival, there's always a sense of community and joy in French celebrations. Scene returns to Paris at sunset, with the Eiffel Tower illuminated. Narrator: as the sun sets over the Eiffel Tower, we are reminded of the magic and romance that fill the air in France. It's a place where history, art, and culture blend seamlessly, creating an experience that is both timeless and unforgettable. From its iconic landmarks and breathtaking landscapes to its world-renowned cuisine and vibrant festivals, France captures the heart and imagination. So whether you're wandering through the vineyards of Bordeaux, skiing down the slopes of the Alps, or simply enjoying a croissant at a Parisian cafe, France invites you to immerse yourself in its beauty, to be inspired, and to dream.